Hello, I'm Victoria Bennett from the Crowdfunding Hub, and today I'm joined by Art Smith from Legacy Mutual Fund Trust and Alexander Morsink from the investment platform Equivesto. Hi.
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 Inflation is currently at a 31-year high at 6.7%. Interest rates are going up. Public markets are very volatile. What's going on?
You're right. This is a very volatile market, and the value of money is dropping. It's tough to find investments that earn enough to make at least as much as the inflation.
So what should people be looking for?
You're looking for an investment through a legal platform, such as Equivesto, that will give you a yield and return greater than the inflation rate.
What is a yield?
Yield is a type of return on your investment. Specifically, it's the money that comes back to you from an investment while it's taking place.
Okay, so what is the yield for Legacy Mutual Fund Trust?
That's a good question, Victoria. One of the things I really like about real estate investments and legacy itself specifically is there's two types of returns that an investor can have. They can have yield, which is generated off the rental income off the properties. And right now our targeted is to generate an annual yield of 8.6% for Class A units. And then there's also the capital appreciation that comes along with properties as they increase in value. And our overall targeted yield for the investment is in the 12 to 15% annual range, right? The third thing that Legacy actually does to help investors increase their actual performance or yield on the product is allows you to reinvest that quarterly income and buy more legacy investments. So you actually get a compounding effect, like compounding interest, and that maximizes your ability to generate a return on the investment.
Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world. So what about the recent news reports that the markets are due to drop over the next 12 months?
Yeah, that is, for a lot of people in Canada, that is a bit of a troubling idea. But what I've read in those reports is, they're really focused in, Greater Toronto area, Greater Vancouver. Our focus as a business is in Western Canada, from the Manitoba border to the interior of BC. And we like to focus on the secondary marketplace where there's a lot less pressure upwards and downwards actually on properties. It's a considerably more stable real estate marketplace over the last 5-10 years. And that's where we don't see a great downward pressure. We actually see people getting the right value for the money that's going on in real estate.
So that sounds like a real return and outperforms all the current high interest savings accounts. So if someone wants to invest, what are the next steps?
Head to equivesto.com. We're a registered exempt market dealer, and you can register for your account there. You can review the full details of the investment and make your investment entirely online.
Thank you, gentlemen. So if you are considering to diversify your investment into real estate, consider Epiphany Legacy Mutual Fund Trust. Full details are available at equivesto.com, and you can ask any questions you have there too.